Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my C language practical lab. In this tutorial, I would like to describe decision making or branching in C language. Let's start. Okay. In this program, I like to find the bigger between two numbers using if else statement. This is the fundamental block of a Go graph. Now, being we have to find out the bigger, so we have to receive two variables as say a and b. Now I receive values of a and b. Two values are taken from keyboard. Now I check which is bigger. Now I imply if statement. If a greater than b, then I print is bigger. That's mean if it is true, then a will be bigger. Otherwise, else b will be bigger. B will be bigger. Now I save the program. Okay, I compile it. No error is there. Now I run. It asks enter two values. Suppose one is 10 and another is 20. So 20 is bigger. Suppose I run one more. Suppose one is 50 and another is 10. 50 is bigger. Here I use if and else block. Okay. Now I will discuss nested if statement. Nested if means if within if. Using nested if statement, I write a program which can find out the biggest between three numbers, among three numbers, right? Now I create new program. and as earlier I write the program from beginning. Biggest among three numbers. This is fundamental block. Being this program, find out the biggest among three numbers. So three variables are required. So we have to define three variables. Say A, B and C. Now we have to receive the values of three variables. So printf enter three values. Now I scan these values, so I use scanf function. %d, being three variables are there, %a, %b and %c. Now I already received three variables. Now I have to check which one is the biggest. Now I use nested if statement. Let's follow carefully. If a greater than b, if it true, then we have to check if a is bigger, then it requires to check between a and c which one is bigger, either a or c. So another if statement. If a greater than c, then it is cleared a will be biggest. Printf %d is biggest. Else %d, that is a is biggest, else c will be biggest. C will be biggest. If this statement false, that means if b is bigger, then it requires to check between b and c. So in else part, again we have to check if b greater than c, then if it true, then b will be biggest. Else c will be biggest. Very simple logic. Now I share the program. 6. Now I compile it. No error is there. Now I run it. Okay. It asks to enter three variables. Suppose 1, 2 and 3. The variables are which? So 3 is biggest. As per our program, it is correct. Now, again I run it. Suppose the variables are one is 3, another is 2, and last one is 1. 3 is biggest. Again, I run it. Suppose one variable is 2, another is 1, and the last one is 3. 3 is biggest. That is, at any cost, it predict the true output. Okay, and this program explore nested if. Already I demonstrate two types of decision making or branching statement. One is if else block and another is nested if. The next program I want to describe if else ladder. Correct? So I create a new program. In this program, I want to evaluate the grade. That means the marks percent will be given and few constants are there. Suppose anybody get more than 90%, his or her grade will be outstanding. Like this, I mention in this program and write the program. Our supposition mark, suppose m greater than m greater than or is equal to 90, it predicts outstanding. Outstanding. If m greater than is equal to 75, say star. Suppose marks m greater than is equal to 60. Suppose it is first class. If marks m greater than is equal to 45, grade indicates second class. If marks greater than is equal to 30, it represent pass. Otherwise, it will be unsuccess. Otherwise, it will be unsuccess. Right? Sir, unsuccess. Okay. Now I write the program. Include conio.h as include conio.h but correct. Next, as per our early program, here I discuss skin. Let's change. Okay. In this program, input will be marks. We have to input the percentage of marks. Now suppose it will be stored in a variable, say m. So I declare a variable int m, and our supposition suppose percentage will be integer. We do not consider it float or decimal places is there. We consider this integer. Printf enter marks, enter percentage, enter percentage of marks, scanf, percent ampersand m. Now it is time to implement if else ladder. That means repeatedly if else. If m greater than is equal to 90, output will be printf outstanding. Outstanding. I copy it. Else if m greater than is equal to m, if else suppose m greater than is equal to 75, output will be star. Star. Else if edit paste. Else if m greater than is equal to 60, output will be first class. Else if m greater than is equal to 45, output will be second class. Else if m greater than is equal to 30, output will be pass. Else printf unsuccess. Unsuccess. Correct. Now I completed my program. Now I save the program. Now I compile it. Okay, it is error free. Now I run the program. Okay, fine. Suppose the percentage of marks 84. Sorry, 84. Output will be star. If the now I again run. If percentage of marks 95, output will be outstanding. Again I run. Suppose percentage of marks 17, unsuccess. I again run. Suppose it is 67, output will be first class. So I test all kinds of input and the outputs are valid and the program output proper output. In this tutorial, I discuss decision making in C language. All are suggested to follow my next tutorial where I discuss loop or iteration. Thanks all. Be fine. Okay.